Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube sound not working. So let's begin the video. At first go to settings, then go to sound and vibration. From here, select volume. On the volume screen, you just need to make sure that your media volume is turned off. Now if it's not the issue, then go back. Go to apps and find YouTube here. Then click on storage and click on clear cache. It may fix your problem. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.